In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on an image in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know 3 reliable ways to draw attention to details in a picture: a quick manual zoom, a slideshow-focused zoom, and a smooth motion zoom animation. First, open your PowerPoint slide and bring your image in. If the picture isn't already on the slide, go to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, and pick the file you want. If the image is already there, simply click it to select it. A quick tip before we start: images with higher resolution will look sharper when enlarged, so choose the best quality version you have. To zoom in the simplest way, resize the image manually. With the image selected, drag one of the corner handles outward to make it larger. Hold the Shift key while you drag to maintain the aspect ratio and avoid stretching or squashing the picture. Avoid dragging the side or top handles alone, since that can distort the image. As you enlarge it, position it so the most important area is visible on the slide. This method is perfect when you just need a fast, static zoom for a single slide. If you want a slideshow-friendly zoom that jumps to a slide containing your image, use the Zoom feature. Go to the Insert tab, click Zoom, and choose either Summary Zoom, Slide Zoom, or Section Zoom, depending on how your presentation is organized. Select the slide that contains your image. When you present, clicking that Zoom thumbnail will take the audience straight to that slide, effectively focusing their attention on the image. This is great for interactive presentations where you want to navigate fluidly while keeping your audience engaged. For a dynamic motion-based zoom on the same slide, add a grow shrink animation. Select the image, go to the Animations tab, and choose Add Animation, then pick Grow Shrink. In the Effect options, adjust the size percentage to control how much you zoom in, and set the duration for how fast the zoom happens. A larger percentage gives you a closer look, and a slightly longer duration creates a smoother, more cinematic feel. This approach works well when you want to gradually guide viewers' eyes to a specific part of the image. Before you finalize, preview the effect. Click Preview in the Animations tab or run the slideshow to see everything in action. Make sure the motion is smooth and that the enlarged area is exactly what you want to highlight. And that's it. You've successfully zoomed in on your image in PowerPoint using resizing, zoom for slides, or a motion animation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.